Hey, welcome back CG enthusiasts, back with Danny Swin, here to sprinkle some CG magic into your day. Today we're diving into the enchanting world of Blender. Now you may be wondering, is it easy to learn Blender? Well, get ready for a wild ride as we unravel the secret and unveil the truth about mastering this powerful software. Alright folks, let's address the big question. Is it easy to learn Blender? Well, it's like taming a magical dragon with a mind of its own. At first, it might seem intimidating, but fear not. With the right approach and a sprinkle of patience, you'll conquer this beast in no time. Well, before we take our first step into the magical realm of Blender, let me tell you a little secret. Even the most experienced CG wizard once stood in your shoes. So rest assured, you're not alone in this journey. Now let's start with the basics. Blender interface might look like a spaceship control panel at first, but don't panic. It's actually quite intuitive once you get the hang of it. And believe me, the satisfaction you'll feel when you create your first 3D masterpiece is priceless. And yeah, the UI does seem harder from other applications, but once you know what everything is for, you'll see how it is better than other applications. But that's a personal opinion, so take it with a grain of salt. But wait, there's more to Blender than just a 3D modeling software. It's a whole universe of possibilities. You can animate, sculpt, simulate physics, and even create mind-boggling visual effects. It's like having a magic wand that brings your imagination to life. And what I said before isn't just what it is. There's way too more functionality that Blender can cover. And if I sort everything right here, right now, you might get overwhelmed. So don't worry, go slowly and go through everything, and once you get the hang of it, it will get more and more easier. Okay, now that we've embraced the fantastical nature of Blender, let me give you some valuable tips to make your learning journey smoother. First, don't shy away from tutorials. There's a vast treasure of online resources from YouTube to forums and even Blender official documentation. Embrace them and you'll level up your skill like a true CG hero in no time. Most people think YouTube tutorials are a very basic and, well, not really helpful. But no, a lot of Blender resources on YouTube which is completely free that delve into the intermediate and expert level stuff. Which means you can start from zero to literal hero just from YouTube free resources. And I've seen a lot of YouTube free resources from a lot of creators out there that outvalue the paid course you usually get from paid course websites that are for Blender. And again, this is a personal opinion, personal experiences, so take that with a grain of salt. Another good tip for you is practice. And this is for any type of software, not just Blender, for anything, right? The more you practice Blender, the more comfortable you'll become with Blender. Trust me, it's like casting a spell, practice makes perfect. Now, my dear viewers, to answer the question, is it easy to learn Blender? It's a resounding yes, at least for me. But remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your CG empire. It takes time, dedication, and a sprinkle of patience to master Blender. But the rewards are truly enchanting. Blender keeps evolving day by day, and a lot more new features are coming in with more possibilities for everyone to use for free. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope the video gives you a bit of clarification. I can't get into very much detail into this video, but you can expect a basic tutorial coming your way in the next few weeks. So stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe and share it to your friend if you find this video useful. But that's all for today. Bye!